Got aches and pains? Wanting to fully relax? An infrared sauna could be just what you need. Keep watching to learn how infrared saunas work, their health benefits, risks and more. You've most likely heard of a steam sauna, but what about an infrared sauna? They offer similar benefits to traditional saunas but work differently. Keep watching to learn everything you need to know about infrared saunas before you buy, including how they work, what they do, and if an infrared sauna is right for you. There's nothing like a good sweat session in a sauna to make you feel re-energized and relaxed. If you're watching this video, chances are you've got a few aches and pains, or maybe you've been feeling a bit stressed and are looking for solutions. If so, an infrared sauna could be a great option. There are a few different types of saunas out there. In this video, I'll explain what they are, how they work, and how they can help you. What is a sauna? Put simply, sauna describes any heating system intended to create profuse sweating. There are two main ones, traditional or steam saunas, also called wet saunas, and dry or infrared saunas. Steam versus infrared sauna, what's the difference? On the surface, traditional saunas and infrared saunas appear similar. They're both wooden cabins designed to induce sweat and relax the body. But while they both work to re-energize and relax the body, there are some key differences between the two. The main difference is how they use heat. Traditional saunas use one or more heaters to heat the air. That hot air heats the user. They also often have heated rocks you pour over to create steam. In contrast, infrared saunas use advanced infrared heaters to warm your body directly, not the surrounding air. As your body absorbs the infrared heat, this increases thermal energy, inducing a deep and relaxing sweat. What temperature is an infrared sauna? Infrared saunas usually operate between 46 to 57 degrees, while traditional saunas can get up to 85 degrees or more. But don't be fooled, just because infrared saunas are cooler, it doesn't mean you sweat any less. In fact, because infrared heat waves penetrate more deeply than warmed air, you actually experience a more intense sweat at a lower temperature. What exactly is infrared heat? Infrared is a safe wavelength of light or energy that we feel as heat. Infrared heat is all around us. You can feel it from sources like fire and heated sand on the beach. The largest source of infrared heat is the sun. Infrared wavelengths are separate from the harmful UV rays that make the sun bright. Is infrared heat safe? Isn't infrared heat bad? Not at all. Infrared heat is completely safe. In fact, it's so safe, hospitals use similar heaters to warm newborn babies. Let's run through some pros and cons of infrared saunas. On the plus side, they heat up quickly and are ready to use in about 15 or 20 minutes, compared with traditional saunas, which take about 30 to 40 minutes to heat up. They don't cost much to run, typically around $10 to $20 a month for most people. You can stay in longer. Because the air temperature is lower, you can stay in an infrared sauna for up to 30 to 40 minutes, compared with around 15 to 20 minutes in a steam sauna. As we've already mentioned, there are lots of health benefits of infrared therapy. Most are easy to install. A pre-built infrared sauna can be assembled and installed by two people in around 2 to 3 hours. Once it's set up, you can usually just plug it into your household electrical socket. No venting. Because it's dry heat and there's no steam, infrared saunas can be used indoors without the need for venting. Now for the downsides. These include there's no humidity. This could actually be a pro or a con depending on your preferences. If you like the steamy environment of a traditional sauna, a dry sauna could be a deal breaker. However, if you prefer dry heat, then the lack of humidity is a bonus. Not ideal for outdoor use. Infrared saunas are not suited to extremely cold outdoor climates. They can be used outdoors, but should be under shelter. Now you know how they work and what they do, should you buy one? If you are looking to de-stress, relieve muscle and joint pain, detoxify and more, then an infrared sauna could be just what you need. However, infrared saunas aren't for everyone. While many people use saunas as part of a healthy lifestyle, what's best for you may not be what's best for someone else. We don't recommend using a sauna before a gym or fitness workout, as it can lead to a number of risks during your workouts, such as relaxed muscles, lower energy, dehydration, and overheating. Certain health conditions are also not compatible with saunas or steam rooms. Always consult with your medical practitioner before buying or using a sauna. So what do you think? Is an infrared sauna for you? If you're undecided, the best thing to do is come and try one out. Come to your nearest Spa World showroom to test an infrared sauna for yourself. Download our comprehensive sauna buyer's guide for more info. Click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.